Hi guys on YouTube. Yes, this is my sister's Fisher and Paykel Wash Smart washing machine. Here we are. This is the this is the same washing machine as my brother's. So yep. Here we are. This is my sister's. This is my sister's Fisher and Paykel Wash Smart. Let's have a look at the washer. Here it is. New and rubber. Doesn't spin that well if you turn it. Yep. Detergent. Use your detergent. There are your programs. Daniel start is your programs. $500 RPM, $800 RPM, $1100 RPM, and $1400. Normal light. This top spin is $1400 RPM. So yep, that was my overview of my sister's Fisher and Paykel Wash Smart. So that's it.